Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well today, and I hope you guys are just getting ready for the festive holiday season. I thought that I actually might do a show my face. I have to show my face at some point, at least once a month. I know I've been doing a lot of these speed painting videos where you're just seeing the recording in Procreate and as I'm going along, but I just pop in occasionally, at least once a month, and show you my face and give you some updates. So updates as well as speed painting today. So that's what I'm doing. If you want to go ahead and just go ahead and watch the speed painting and not have to hear me you don't want to hear me do the updates or just kind of whatnot, you can go ahead and just fast forward to the timestamp. Or if you want to listen and watch the speed painting, you can actually do that too as well. I'm actually, I have a little precious gem holding on my left side. You can't really see her. It's my youngest baby daughter. And no, I'm not going to show you to she's too precious. So moving on. So today, I wanted to actually just to pop in and just to talk to you guys about give you updates of what's been going on with my, with my art, my creation process. Things are coming out, updates as far as the shop. My shop is finally open on Redbubble, and I actually have included a link to my shop down below in the description box, and go ahead and just have yourself a ball looking at what I've got. What I will be doing for this week and for this month, as the month carries on, I'll be uploading new art weekly. And so right now I've got about 5 or 6 pieces, and that's going to actually increase. By the end of this month I'll have at least 20. Go ahead and get started in a window shopping. If you want to go ahead and buy a print, please go ahead, by all means. I am still, as far as my Patreon account is concerned, I'm still working on that right now, and I will let you know as soon as that opens up. I will let you know big, loud, and clear that you can go ahead and sign up and just be, go ahead and sign up and just go over there and visit. And I have that really exciting news about I have a new fantasy flash fiction work that I just released last week, and here's the picture of it now right here. Called The Voyagers of St. Awkwardville. It is my first flash fiction fantasy, and it's going to become a series. This is the first book of the series. So and it is a free download. I will include also the link down in the description box, so you can go ahead and free download it, sign up, and just jump on the bandwagon and receive freebies from that link once you sign up, because on a monthly basis you will be able just to receive just all kinds of big, just nice downloads and whatnot, and gifts and surprises, and awesome newsletter. What else do I have going on? So I believe I covered the shop. I covered my new fantasy flash fiction book that's coming out. Let's see what else. I am doing I think that's about it that I'm covering. Also, yes, I'm still working on my website, guys. So my website, you can actually go see it now, but what I am doing, I'm in the transitioning over to Squarespace, guys. So but as right now, I'm right now under WordPress, and I've come to the end of my journey with my free, or I guess you could say it's WordPress.com premium. I'm growing. My work is growing. I want to do e-commerce and selling my artworks, whatnot. So yes, I'm growing, and that's where I'm coming to at the end of the road that I need to transition onto Squarespace. So that's underway. However, you can still go to my zinkia.com official artist website and be able to look at my fine artworks. And some of those works that are on that page actually links over to my shop. As far as my Illustricrivio section of my website, which is my fantasy writing page, that's actually still under works, and we probably will be able to see the whole entire site completed when I've transitioned over to Squarespace. I'll keep you in the dibs. I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated on that. So without further ado, we are going to watch my speed painting of how I actually do a figure painting in Procreate. And this is part 1. So this is going to be like starting off and just setting things up. And by part 2, by next week, I'll be coming over and finishing up the painting. So have a great day, guys. And I will see you right after this painting. Okay? All right. Awesome. So that is the end of my video for the figurative, for part 1 anyway. So I hope that actually kind of gave you like some indication of how I approach my paintings as far as digital paintings, because if I'm doing it on a canvas traditionally wise, it's going to become a little bit completely different. But as far as just the layering is concerned, digitally approaching the figurative, it's going to be it's same, just like discipline or methodology, but just a different way of doing it. And I think after I do the part 2, which is going to be appearing next week, I think I'm going to actually upload a video of me doing a traditional painting, so that can really give you a just a vast like difference, a dichotomy of how I approach painting through digital and versus traditional. Awesome. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. And like I said, all the updates, if you didn't catch the first part of my updates before the speed painting, please make sure to first make sure to subscribe and to click a like. Share this video, please, by all means, share this video, and make sure you hit the notification button when you actually do subscribe, so you can know when my video is coming and be able to watch it. Visit my website, thezinkia.com, and be sure to hit that link down below, because my flash fiction fantasy free download of my flash fiction short story fantasy that was released last week, you're able to get that for a free download by clicking the link down below. Guys, have a wonderful, wonderful week, and stay safe, be blessed, and awesome. Happy holidays. Thank you. Bye.